1. 1974 Chevrolet Vega. Price: $19,000. Located Wichita Falls, Texas. The 1974 Chevrolet Vega is a purpose-built drag car designed for serious strip performance rather than street cruising. With only 35,000 miles reported on the chassis and a lightweight race-prepared setup, this Vega is built to deliver competitive performance on race day. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the car offers consistent launches and smooth power delivery, making it ideal for bracket racing or dedicated drag competition. It is important to note that this vehicle is not street legal, emphasizing its focus as a true race machine. Weighing approximately 2,330 pounds, this Vega stands out as an exceptionally light platform, allowing for strong acceleration and improved elapsed times on the track. The red exterior gives it a bold and aggressive appearance, while the stripped and performance-oriented setup reflects its racing purpose. Its balanced weight and compact body style make it a formidable contender in its class. This vehicle is fully paid off and has been carefully maintained by an owner who clearly appreciates its capabilities. Offered at $19,000 or best offer, the seller is open to trade options for another drag car or truck. For enthusiasts seeking a lightweight, dedicated drag platform with serious potential, this 1974 Vega represents a strong opportunity. 2. 1971 Chevrolet Suburban. Price: $36,500. Located Wichita Falls, Texas. The 1971 Chevrolet Suburban is a rare three-door SUV that has been transformed into a powerful hot rod and street rod build. With only 1,700 miles driven since completion, this Suburban combines classic utility styling with high-performance engineering. Under the hood sits an impressive 489 cubic inch big block engine equipped with Brodix aluminum heads and a scat rotating assembly, delivering exceptional strength and reliability. Topping the setup is an 871 Dyers blower, creating massive power and an unmistakable supercharged presence. Backing the engine is a Turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a manual valve body and lightning rod shifters, giving the driver complete control over gear changes. The drivetrain is supported by 373 gears, a TrueTrack differential, and heavy-duty Moser axles to handle the substantial horsepower. Digital four-corner air ride suspension provides adjustable stance and ride comfort, allowing this Suburban to sit aggressively low or cruise smoothly. The blue exterior highlights its bold, long body design, while the interior benefits from vintage air conditioning and heat for modern comfort. This 1971 Suburban represents a unique blend of classic SUV heritage and serious performance capability, making it a standout custom build. 3. 1964 Chevrolet C10. Price: $17,000. Located Porter, Texas. The 1964 Chevrolet C10 is a classic American pickup that has been extensively restored and performance upgraded, with under 2,000 miles driven since its 2023 rebuild. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this truck presents a clean and aggressive appearance while maintaining its timeless body lines. Powered by a high-compression 6.0-liter LS2-based engine running 12-to-1 compression and capable of turning 7,500 revolutions per minute, this C10 delivers serious performance well beyond stock specifications. Fuel delivery is handled by a Pro Systems custom carburetor, paired with MSD ignition for strong and consistent spark. The engine is backed by a TH400 automatic transmission featuring engine braking, offering durability and control under hard acceleration. Out back, a Moser 12-bolt rear end with 4.30 gears ensures that power is effectively transferred to the pavement. Despite its performance focus, the truck retains factory manual brakes and manual steering, preserving a raw and authentic driving feel. A gated Hurst shifter adds classic muscle car character inside the cabin. This 1964 C10 is an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a lightweight, high-revving classic truck with modern LS performance upgrades. 4. 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2. Price: $65,000. Located Lufkin, Texas. The 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2 is a serious high-performance build that blends classic compact muscle styling with professional-level drag racing components. Finished in blue, this car carries a clean and aggressive presence while hiding substantial power beneath its lightweight body. At the heart of this machine is a massive 583 cubic inch engine built by Rear Morrison, a name well respected in competitive racing circles. This power plant is engineered for maximum output, delivering exceptional torque and horsepower designed for strip dominance. The engine is paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission, a proven choice for drag racing due to its strength, simplicity, and consistency under high horsepower conditions. This drivetrain combination allows the car to launch hard while maintaining reliable performance pass after pass. With approximately 10,000 miles reported, the vehicle remains in excellent mechanical condition and has clearly been built with quality components throughout. Inside, the interior is described as super nice, offering a clean and well-finished cabin that complements the car's high-performance nature. The overall presentation reflects careful ownership and attention to detail. This 1967 Chevy 2 stands as a purpose-built drag machine with professional-grade engineering, making it an outstanding option for racers or collectors seeking serious big-block performance in a classic American body style. 5. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $25,000. Located Mesquite, Texas. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a big-block powered drag car built for strength, speed, and consistent performance on the strip. This example is described as used like new, reflecting a well-maintained and lightly raced setup. Under the hood sits a 454 cubic inch big block engine, bored 100 over to 477 cubic inches, delivering substantial displacement and impressive horsepower. The engine is further enhanced with a nitrous system, providing additional power when needed for competitive racing conditions. Designed as a big tire car, this Nova offers excellent traction and stability during hard launches. The chassis has not seen many passes, indicating limited track time and reduced wear on major components. The aggressive stance and muscular body lines of the 1970 model year give this Nova a commanding presence both in the staging lanes and in the pits. The vehicle includes two hoods, offering flexibility in appearance or setup preference. With its strong, big block foundation and nitrous-assisted performance, this Nova represents a serious opportunity for anyone looking to step into a competitive drag platform. Offered at $25,000 or best offer, it is a powerful classic ready for its next chapter on the track. 6. 1975 Chevrolet Monza. Price: $20,000. Located Waxahachie, Texas. The 1975 Chevrolet Monza is an old-school back half-drag car professionally set up for 1/8 mile competition. Built with a focus on consistency and safety, this Monza carries a fresh 850 NHRA certification and features a Model PG 1500 Reed double certified Powerglide case, new in the box. Designed to compete in 580 to 600 index classes, the car has proven performance potential while maintaining a manageable and balanced race setup. Weighing approximately 2,350 pounds with a 220-pound driver, it offers a strong power-to-weight ratio ideal for bracket racing. The chassis is equipped with Strange 4-piston rear brakes and Aerospace 4-piston front brakes for dependable stopping power. A brand new Dedember electronics system with dial board has been professionally wired and is configured for both box and no-box racing. The fuel system is completely new, utilizing number 10 braided line, an Aeromotive alcohol, an E85 compatible fuel pump, and a matching regulator. Block and oil pan heaters are installed for proper engine temperature management. This all-steel car includes spare doors, fenders, hood, and rear hatch. It can be transported together with the included converted 48-volt lithium EasyGeo card inside a 24-foot box trailer. A well-prepared and competitive race package ready for its next owner. 7. 1975 Chevrolet Nova drag car. Price: $20,000. Located Gilmer, Texas. The 1975 Chevrolet Nova drag car is a lightweight, turbocharged LS-powered race build designed for serious strip performance. With only 300 miles reported and very little runtime, this car remains fresh and ready for competitive action. The Iron Block LS engine is equipped with ARP Pro studs and a complete BTR top end, force-fed by a 6870mm VS Racing turbo system with manual wastegates and a Misimoto intercooler. 3-SPAL electric fans assist with cooling efficiency under demanding race conditions. Backing the engine is a fresh 1.80 BT Powerglide transmission with trans brake, billet manual valve body, billet converter, and a derail transmission cooler with electric fan. The drivetrain is reinforced with strange engineering components, including a big 12-bolt rear with Moser axles, new drive shaft, and heavy-duty U-joints. Wilwood brakes provide confident stopping performance. The chassis features an 850 certification cage, fiberglass front clip, tubular A-arms, and adjustable coilovers front and rear. The entire vehicle has been rewired using a BP automotive harness and painless switch panel. Built as a versatile platform capable of running big or small tire, this Nova represents a strong turbo LS drag package. 8. 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. Price: $65,000. Located Gladewater, Texas. The 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D is a striking example of mid-year American sports car heritage, presented with a bold blackout package that enhances its aggressive appearance. This coupe is powered by a strong 383 cubic inch crate engine, delivering impressive street performance and a deep, unmistakable V8 tone. Although it is not a factory big block car, it features a big block-style radiator, supporting reliable cooling and reinforcing its high-performance presence. Paired with a manual transmission, the driving experience remains engaging and true to the classic Corvette spirit. With approximately 35,000 miles reported, this vehicle has been maintained with care and is described as super nice and capable of daily driving. The orange exterior provides a vibrant contrast to the blackout styling elements, giving the car a distinctive and modernized classic look. Louvers between the rear windows have been removed for a cleaner profile, and the front bumper is included with the sale. The car shows no rust and no leaks, reflecting solid structural condition. While it does not have air conditioning, it compensates with raw driving enjoyment and strong mechanical performance. This 1965 Corvette Coupe represents a well-kept classic that blends custom touches with reliable drivability. 9. 1976 Chevrolet Vega. Price: $24,500. Located Springtown, Texas. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega is a turnkey bracket car built for competitive 1/8-mile racing and consistent performance. With approximately 1,000 miles reported since completion, this Vega has been purpose-built with serious drag racing components. The chassis carries an 850 certification and features a back half ladder bar setup, QA1 double adjustable front suspension, and AFCO double adjustable rear suspension for precise track tuning. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine fitted with Brodix heads and a Wes May methanol carburetor, delivering strong and consistent output. The engine is paired with a Powerglide transmission equipped with a Pro tree brake and FTI converter, sending power to a 9-inch Ford rear end. This combination allows the car to run consistent 610 to 620 times in the 1/8 mile. The body remains all steel with a fiberglass hood, retaining full glass and functional roll-down windows. The car is ready to race as offered, with the possibility of being sold as a roller without engine and transmission. This 1976 Vega stands as a serious and well-prepared bracket racing machine. 10. 1971 Chevrolet Vega Notchback. Price: $7,500. Located Gilmer, Texas. The 1971 Chevrolet Vega Notchback is a solid foundation for a serious drag racing build, configured as a big tire car and ready for drivetrain installation. With 123,456 miles reported on the chassis, this Vega has been transformed into a dedicated race platform featuring a full cage and square tube chassis while retaining the factory front subframe. Designed specifically for strength and rigidity, the structure provides a dependable base for high horsepower applications. The rear suspension utilizes ladder bars combined with new QA1 single adjustable coilovers, delivering tunable performance for track conditions. Out back sits a 9-inch Ford rear end equipped with aggressive 513 gears, ensuring strong launch characteristics when paired with the right power plant. The car rides on large 33 by 16 by 16 Mickey Thompson tires, emphasizing its big tire drag setup and maximizing traction potential. This Vega is configured for a small block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission, and it already includes the drive shaft, mid-plate, front mounts, and short headers with lower fender exit. Everything necessary to complete the build is present except the engine and transmission. With no rust reported and a clean, race-ready structure, this 1971 Vega offers excellent potential for a competitive custom drag project. 11. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price: $30,000. Located Teague, Texas. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a classic first-generation muscle car that combines timeless styling with big block performance. Finished in a bold appearance and backed by a blue Texas title, this Camaro currently houses a 454 cubic inch big block engine, delivering strong torque and the unmistakable sound that defines American muscle. The car is capable of running and driving, making it more than just a project and allowing the next owner to enjoy it immediately. The 1967 model year is highly regarded among collectors for its clean body lines, aggressive front grille design, and balanced proportions. This example maintains that iconic presence while offering upgraded big block power under the hood. Whether used as a weekend cruiser, local show car, or foundation for further performance upgrades, it presents a solid starting point for enthusiasts. The seller is seeking serious buyers only and is open to reasonable offers, emphasizing a straightforward and honest transaction. With classic muscle appeal and proven big block performance, this 1967 Camaro stands as a desirable opportunity for anyone looking to own a legendary American performance car with real street presence.